How do you write a script for a short marketing video? You need a script because you want to avoid making boring, unclear videos. In this video, I will give you the 5 simple steps to writing a great script for a short and powerful video that will make you proud and also get you lots of views and followers. I am Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to give yourself a stage right in front of the people you want to meet the most. So subscribe to this channel because I will help you make your company visible and findable by your future clients. Put your camera away for now. You start with a pen and paper or your computer because a good video starts with making choices. You cannot cram everything you know into one video. What you do best is to give little bits of information in a video so you don't overfeed your viewers and scare them away. So that's what we do in step 1. We determine the message, the outcome of the video. If you ask someone who saw a video afterwards what the video was about, you will notice something. The viewer does remember what was said in the video, but he summarizes it into one short sentence. So make sure that the information you give in your video fits into that one short sentence. So you decide what is the message you want your viewer to remember after watching your video. I do it with my videos as well. I made one video where the message was really don't listen to your kids if they criticize your video. The video is 3 minutes, but that's really the whole message. In one of my other videos, the key message was if you are a coach and you use a certain method or model, don't talk about it in your videos. For now, in step 1, just write down the basic nuclear message of your video. You will elaborate about that later on in step 4, but not for now, because now we go to step 2. And that's where you write the first 2 sentences of your script, the start of your video, and it needs to be catchy. Please don't start your video by saying, "Hello, thanks for watching this video," because that doesn't work. That scares your viewers away. It's boring. So please get straight to the point in your video. Make sure people want to see more. There's lots of great and smart ways to start your video in a way that will make your viewers stay until the end. And one of my suggestions is right here in this video. I will give you one smart way to start a video of the right way. Once you've written the first 2 sentences of the script, we go over to step 3. This is where you introduce yourself briefly. Just tell people who you are, what you do, and what the benefits of what you do are. So people who find your video at random will also know who you are and what you are an expert in. Otherwise, they will see your video, appreciate it, but never know who made it. And this is marketing after all. So introduce yourself briefly. And then you move on to step 4. This is the easiest and longest part of your script. Take your time and elaborate about what you wrote down in step 1. You can take your time. This is a subject you know a lot about. I would say 10 to 20 lines of text would be good here. So enjoy before we move on to step 5. This is where you ask your viewer to take a next step. The call to action. It could be anything really, leaving a comment, going for a walk, buying something, whatever it is. But you decide because you are the maker of the video. So what do you want your viewer to do after seeing the video? Write it down. So that's the script for a short marketing video. A strong, catchy start, introducing yourself briefly, giving some good information that we can really remember, and do a call to action. And then you've got your script. You can record it. Well, please don't read it out to the camera. First read it to yourself about 10 times and then start recording the video and do it in parts, not as a whole. Then you will make a video that will make many people from your target audience really happy. How do you work with scripts? Do you record your videos with a script, or do you feel a big resistance to working with video scripts? Please let me know in the comments below this video. And if you're wondering how you can record a video with a script without standing in front of the camera feeling like a mannequin, watch this video, because here I will tell you exactly how to do that.